This is a 20 pack of hangers by Hangerize, and check these out. So they're plastic hangers and they have reinforced edges here on the side. It also has 2 notches here and the bottom has ridges, so it's going to hold your pants from slipping down. How cool is that? And this is made of plastic and it's also made in the USA. This is great to use for your home, apartment, or dormitory too, even your RV. This measures approximately 16.5 inches across by 9 inches in height, and it's slim at only 1/3 of an inch. These hangers are strong and flexible. They're very practical, convenient, and functional too. Perfect to use every day or for all your fancy clothes on special occasions. It also has these notches here on top for your strappy dresses or tank tops too. These are also strong enough for jeans and jackets too. This is nice and shiny and has a smooth finish that won't snag your clothing. And it also has reinforced edges here to make it stronger. And this is built to last for many years. I was sent this from Hangerize to evaluate and to give my opinion, and so far I like it. And I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.